Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market analysis for Monday the 17th of September, and today we had another interesting day in the markets. We had two trades today working inside of a maximum profit potential of 7.5 points or 30 ticks. Actual entries and exits called out in the room, we made 8.25 points or 33 ticks. So definitely a pretty good day all in all. The markets did gap down a little bit, only to close it very quickly and then basically chop around and move sideways. What we did is right off the open we did grab a long and we did ride that up a little bit, taking some profit, and then we actually took a short up here, and that actually worked out fairly well. And then from there we kind of just watched the markets. It was kind of hard to pick a direction here, and then it finally chose one very hesitantly, and then it basically just stayed sideways. So not a pretty market, but a tradable market, and that's all you really need, is a market that gives you a couple trades. It doesn't really have to be pretty, doesn't have to be perfect, and the setups are not going to be perfect. It's going to be good enough. So anyway, we did close out the day. If you want to round down 8 points at $50 a point, you're looking at $400 for 2.5 hours. Definitely not too bad at all. With that, I'd like to encourage everybody to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the ES market, the S&P Futures market, and it's been my favorite market for quite a while now. And it's just, I find it challenging. It challenges my brain. It forces you to pick a direction and stick with it, and have reasons why that you want to stick with it. So I think it's a whole lot of fun. The trading business is, I've enjoyed it ever since I was introduced to it, and it's definitely been a rough journey getting to where I'm at now. But now that I'm here, it's a ton of fun. Being able to wake up, trade a little bit, and then go off and do something fun. It's definitely been awesome. So hope everybody enjoys the videos. If you have any questions, of course, you can send me an email. I have a contact form on the website, and like always, there's no such thing as a stupid question. There's only the question that's not asked. Some people may feel differently, but I don't really see anything as a dumb question. You might not know something. Ask a question. At one point I didn't know a lot of stuff. I still don't know a lot of stuff. But as far as trading is concerned, I know a lot about a little bit, basically. I know how I trade. I don't know everything about trading. I never have claimed to know everything about trading. So you can ask the question knowing that I may or may not know the answer, but if I don't know the answer, I will get the answer. And that's one thing that separates successful traders from unsuccessful traders, or successful people from unsuccessful people, is ability, and not only the ability but the motivation to go and find the answer. I think everybody has the ability, not everybody applies it. So anyway, with that, hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. With that, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the markets. Thank you.